1 in 5.6 million? This ticket's a mathematical dumpster fire, and it's worse than you think. Welcome to today's Lotto Lecture. Today we're going to be looking at triple red 7's, pictured to the right here. Here's some quick things we need to know. The $1 million top prize is going to be worth $584,000 or $40,000 for the next 25 years. The ticket price is going to be $5. The overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.92, and it was launched on August 11th, 2025. First, we're going to take a look at the odds of each prize as they were at launch. So on the left, you can see the prize amount. In the middle, the odds at launch. And on the right, the number of prizes. The ones we're going to look at today the most are going to be the $1 million top prize. And then we're going to look at anything 1 in 60 below. So the $20 prize, the $10 prize, and the $5 prize. Now we're going to take a look at the top prize odds as they are today, November 7th, 2025. So this is what we have right now. We've only got one top prize left. The formula we're going to use is going to be the number of top prizes remaining over the number of winning tickets left times the overall odds. So that's left with 1, and then all of these numbers that you can see here times 3.92. That brings us here, and then that leaves us with 1 over 5.6 million, which is a 1 in 5.6 million chance. Since the original odds were 1 in 4.09 million, that means it's 27% less likely to win a prize of $1 million than it was at launch. So how does it compare to yesterday's ticket, Break the Bank? Well, it's important to calculate the chances per dollar since not every ticket costs the same. 300 is divisible by all ticket prices, so we're going to assume that this is our budget. We'll compare this with our current top chance ticket, which is Break the Bank. The formula we're going to use is one top prize times our $300 budget divided by the cost of the ticket for every X tickets. See, here was Break the Banks. It's going to be 1 times 60 over 2.9 million, which is going to give us 1 in 49,000 for every $300 spent. For triple red 7's, that's going to be 1 times 60 over 5.6 million, 1 in 94,225 for every $300 spent. But the top prize isn't everything. So let's look at the expected value we can expect to see in a book. So here are all the prizes that are less than 1 in 60 that are basically guaranteed in a book. The formula we're going to use is the prize amount times the number of prizes in the book for each prize bracket over the book cost. We can say 20 plus 60 plus 30 over 300, which gives us 110 over 300 for 36% return. Books of $5 tickets contain 60 tickets, and 36% return represents how much we'd expect to win back on an average book. This return rate is garbage. With its lower than average odds, this does not make up for it in the slightest. The odds of a top prize being in any book are going to be 1 in 94,000. $300 is the cost of the book, so that's why it's the same as the slide from earlier. So to summarize, for November 7th, 2025, the odds to win a top prize in any one ticket are going to be 1 in 5.6 million. The odds of a top prize being in any one book are going to be 1 in 94,000. Your expected return when buying a book is going to be 36%, and the odds are lower than normal. The return rate sucks. Do not buy this ticket. At the bottom here, you're going to see our Florida Lottery tier list. The reason I just called this ticket trash, but still put it as number 2, is because its rarity for a top prize is going to be 1 in 94,000, which is higher than our other 2. But why would you ever buy this when Break the Bank exists? It's worse than it is at launch, while this is better than it was at launch. The odds are better, and the book return is better. And at least, with the 2 that I put below it, for odds reasons, they make up for it in book return and having more prizes in like the thousands range. They have better odds for not $1 million, but thousands of dollars. So I would never pick up triple red 7's. And now we're going to scratch one just for fun. Oh, nothing this time. So how are we doing since starting this channel? Every ticket I've bought, I've put into a spreadsheet, and I've counted up how much we've won and how much we've lost. And right now, we've netted $40 just because our $30 ticket won us $100. I've lost every other one so far. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's Lotto lecture. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's lecture on 10,000 a week for life. And be sure to comment what ticket you want me to break down next. Play smarter, know the odds. I'll see you tomorrow at 5:45 p.m. EST.